Okay, so here is the best way on how you can clean C drive in your Windows PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. This method is both for Windows 10 and 11. So just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how you can clean your C drive. So the first method is very simple. What you have to do is just press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and once you press it you'll be able to see clean mgr. Or if you're in Windows 11, what you can do is just go to settings, and on the search bar you need to type in disk cleanup. Once you type it in, you just need to press OK, and disk cleanup will open up and you need to select your drive. So obviously we're cleaning C drive, we're just gonna select C drive and press OK. And right over here we'll be able to see all the temporary files and everything that we can delete. So I'm just gonna press on all the files that we can delete right now, and here you go. Now it says that I can clear up 1.6 gigabytes, which is actually good. So I'm just gonna press OK and delete files, and here we go. Now it's gonna delete all the temporary files and all the mess that we need to clean up. So yeah, it might take a while to clean everything up, so you just gotta be patient with it. And here we go. Now once this is done, what you need to do, just go to your settings like this, and right here you have to type in storage on your Windows 11 or 10, and you just gotta go to storage settings, and right here on the storage settings you will be able to see the option of storage sense. So make sure storage sense is turned on, because storage sense basically tells that it can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files or content in your recycle bin. So it's pretty good. But after doing all this, the last method is just simply type in apps and features, and over here you can go ahead and find by size and look up all the apps that you can delete by, if you want to clean up space. So for me, local disk C, and here we have some files, so I can delete a few that I would like to, and that I'm not currently using, and I would have some free space. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can clean C drive in your PC. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.